It was the most enjoyable trip I have been over here for London. Nice, I enjoyed it.
Oh, really?
And it was nice. And the pilot, this amazing pilot.
Is that where we can get a picture? Picture? No? Is that possible?
Oh.
Take a video.
You have a video there?
No,
I didn't know.
So we went over the Timothy Bridge, and we went over Canby Island, Southend, about Southend, and we went to Stapleford, back to Western,
Thank you so much.
Thanks for
So
a great day had by all. So, Father Emile, what did you think of it?
They were.
I'm going to send this to the bishop, and he's going to buy you a plane.
I think this is lovely.
Is it a
lovely experience? I have never went through this lovely experience. Seeing London from the side, slowly, and seeing what is. You will not believe. It's like you are in a mountain and you can see what is going on.
Did you see the king in Buckingham Palace?
Unfortunately, I didn't see them, but I saw where it was based.
Oh, you saw the Buckingham Palace?
Yes.
Okay.
You have a view of the everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Right.
But then you see how London is built. It's so beautiful because it's like where you see all the traffic downstairs, the cars competing, and you are there, you say, oh, like a small bird, you look down at them and say, oh my God.
Yeah. Was it scary?
No,
okay.
But apart from you feel a little bit, it could be shaky. Okay. But he's a good pilot because he tried to avoid.
When you started moving, your door was open.
Yes.
You noticed?
Yes. He said to himself, do not mind, I will try to ensure that
you are fine.
Yes.
Amazing.
But London is built in such a way where you look all these
areas.
Yes.
So, Father, do you think Bishop Allen should buy you a plane so he can spread the gospel?
Well, why not? Because if you want us to reach the people,
do you know,
we can reach them via the plane as well.
That sounds exactly what we should be doing. Well, let's get this off to the bishop.